Guys, what's up? So today we're going to discuss the MCQs which are based on the 8th of January 2017 current affairs. Okay, so let's get started and the instructions are pretty clear. If you feel these courses are helping in any way, do give it 5 star, do share it as much as you can and do watch the Hindu by the Pancho Singh before watching this, both the editorial as well as the daily summary. And if you want to watch this course in Hindi, please do that as well. Okay, and please pause the video as soon as the MCQ appears, solve the question and then continue the video, and please note down your correct answer without fail. Write your score in the comment section to compare with everyone. So this is the basic the table which you need to know. If you have 1 2 3, you need to start studying. If you get 4 to 5, it's okay. If you have 6 to 7, it's going good, almost there. If you have 5 or more, then you have very high chance of selection. Question number 1, consider the following statements regarding bedaquiline. It works by blocking an enzyme called ATP synthase. Bedaquiline is used in combination with other TB drugs to treat pulmonary TB in adults when they have multi-drug resistance TB (MDR). Which of the following statement is correct? The both of these are absolutely correct. So bedaquiline works by blocking ATP synthase and it is used in the tuberculosis. So yes, the answer becomes C, that is 1 and 2. So an 18-year-old girl has taken the Indian government to court after being refused access to, that is the blockbuster TB drug bedaquiline, because it is थोड़ा सा costly है. The girl has extensive drug XDR TB, बहुत ही अल्ट्रा स्टेज TB होता है. सबसे पहले नॉर्मल TB होता है, फिर मल्टी ड्रग होता है, फिर एक्सट्रीमली ड्रग रेजिस्टेंट होता है. ठीक है. So and health ministry has delayed the rollout of life saving drug beyond 6 centers in the country, so that is why she has took it to the court. Question number 2, consider the following statements regarding graphene. It is the world's strongest material ever to be tested. Graphene is an ideal material for sensors. It does not conduct heat and electricity. Which of the following statement is correct? Answer is 1 and 2. Because graphene conducts heat and electricity very effectively. And research from MIT, वो USA वाला अपना नहीं, they had designed a 3D version of the material by compressing and fusing flakes of graphene. So answer is A, that is 1 and 2. Question number 3, consider the following statements regarding the Republic of Suriname. Suriname is a country where it is located in Africa. It opens up to the Atlantic Ocean. Most of the people of this country share an Indian ancestry. Which of the following statement is correct? Answer here is B, because Suriname is a country in South America and people speak a lot of people here speak a lot of languages. Dutch is also spoken here. So Suriname is located in South America and about 27.4% of the population are of Indian ancestry. So here is Suriname, as you can see here. Okay. Question number 4, consider the following statements regarding International Business Report, that is IBR. It is released by International Monetary Fund. It was launched in 1992 and the recent survey conducted had 2600 businesses in 37 economies including India. So it is not launched by IMF. So this is it is released not by IMF but by the Grant Thornton International Business Report, and so the answer here becomes 2 and 3. So first is wrong here. So Indian businesses are optimistic about an economic recovery in 2017 according to the latest Grant Thornton International Business Report survey, and India ranked second on the optimism index during the third quarter and has taken a further leap to first position this quarter with 88% of the respondents voting for it. Cool. So question number 5, consider the following statements regarding black rice. Black rice contains more vitamin B and E, niacin, calcium, magnesium, iron and zinc compared to white rice. It has anti-carcinogenic properties and its bran soothes inflammation due to allergies, asthma and other diseases, and black rice is indigenous to northeast India. So which of the following statement is correct here? All these statements are correct. So if they ask you about black rice, this is what you have to write. So black rice recently has gained popularity, especially in Assam, and it was recently sown by the local farmers for the first time in Barak Valley. And the black rice is also known as world superfood because of its high nutrition value, unique texture and intriguing nutty flavor. Question number 6, which of the following statements regarding Indus Water Treaty is correct? It was signed in 1960. It was brokered by the UN. The control over the rivers Chenab and Jhelum was given to India. Answer here is C. Yes, it was signed in 1960. So Indus Water Treaty is a water distribution treaty between the India and Pakistan, and it was brokered by IBRD, that is World Bank. Okay. According to this agreement, control over the three eastern rivers, that is Beas, Ravi and Satluj, was given to India, while control over the three western rivers Indus, Chenab and Jhelum was given to Pakistan. ठीक है, just remember that Pakistan always wants to go to International Court of Justice. So ICJ, that is Indus, Chenab and Jhelum, is given to Pakistan. And India asked the World Bank not to rush in brokering a deal on its dispute with Pakistan over Ratal and Kishanganga project coming up in Jammu and Kashmir. Question number 7. Which of the following states or union territories recently launched the Good Samaritan policy to help road accident victims in emergency situation? So it was done by the Delhi government. So answer is A, government of the NCT of Delhi. So Delhi government has approved Good Samaritan policy to encourage people to help road accident victims in emergency situation. Under this policy, a monetary incentive of rupees 2000 and appreciation certificate will be given to people who help road accident victims in the national capital. So answer is A. Question number 8. Consider the following statements regarding the world's highest altitude telescope. It is being built by India. It will detect and gather precise data on primordial gravitational waves in the northern hemisphere. Which of the following statement is correct here? So here the answer is B. That is, second statement is correct. Yes, it will detect and gather precise data on primordial gravitational waves in the northern hemisphere. But China is setting up the world's highest altitude gravitational wave in a Tibet prefecture close to line of actual control. Line of actual control is the agreed upon line between India and China, and it is being done between budget of $19 million to detect faintest echoes resonating from universe, which may reveal more about the Big Bang theory. And question number 9. Consider the following statements regarding the Islamic Military Alliance to fight terrorism. So it is an international counter-terrorism coalition of multiple countries. Absolutely correct. The organization is based in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. This is also correct. India is a member of the organization. Wrong. India is not the member of the organization. And the formation of Imafat was announced on December 2015 by the Defense Ministry of Saudi Arabia and the son of King Salman, that is Mohammed bin Salman. And Pakistan's former Army Chief General Raheel Sharif was appointed head of the Islamic Military Alliance to fight terrorism. Last question for today is regarding the hill ranges in the South India, and we have to arrange them from south to north, and we have to select the correct code. So here the option correct is, first of all, Cardamom Hill, the most southernmost, then you have Annamalai Hills, then you have Chevroy Range, and then you have Satpura Range. So answer is 2, 3, 1 and 4. So that becomes the answer. So this is the correct order of south to north hills. And thank you for watching this lesson. Have an awesome day.